Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is, all right, it's Thursday the 9th, March 9th, and I'm in this trade right now. So if you guys want to wait to hop in or hop in, I'm in this trade. It's at a key resistance area that's fallen off a few times, right? You can see here a bunch of rejections at this level and here at this level up top. Now, there is a chance price does blow through all of this, right, and just continues to move up. From what I know, we had unemployment today, and from what I know, we need this number to be the Fed needs this number to be bigger than this number, which is a good thing, right? So with that being said, I think there's a chance it could possibly push up and blow through this and possibly head out to the zone up top here, where I was previously looking for a sell. So I think this is a possibility. We're gonna have our stop loss just above these wicks right here, and yeah, we'll see what happens right now. There is only 3 confirmations to take this trade. So that being said, 3 confirmations, take the trade. We got to see what price is going to give us at this point. It does look like it's pushing up. We obviously see an uptrend forming right here with higher highs and higher lows. Tell you what I see, right? Let's just go from, we don't have to go from here. Let's go from here. Something like that. So we can see that there is an obvious uptrend forming right now, but it broke above. So what I'm kind of looking at right here is this, right? So what it kind of did was it broke above here by pushed up from here. And this was early this morning where it kind of made its push, right? So it could blow through all this stuff and make it all the way up to these levels up top, which is a possibility. But you see all the rejections here. You see that there's multiple rejections. Not only that, we have the 1 hour 50 EMA right up top right here, right? So that's why I believe we should see some sort of a pullback, at least down to these areas here, back to the zone. And then from here, I think we can pull profits and see if it breaks through for a runner. Now we have big news tomorrow, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, we have NFP, we have unemployment, average hourly earnings. So today could be a slow day. It's one of those things where it could be one or the other. But we'll see if price gives us an opportunity to enter right here. Well, I'm already entered. We'll see if price gives us what we want right here. So we'll see exactly what's what. I tried putting in a trade right here, right at this level, and it didn't take it. So I have my 2.5 right here, and I do have a sell limit right here, and I know what I'm willing to risk. So now it's just a matter of us risking it. So let's see. Obviously, it still looks like it could push up. That doesn't look so great, right? Support, support, support. Now it's breaking through. Still respecting this top area, but 38 seconds left. Let's see if it can still reject here. We still got about 9 minutes left. So at the end of the day, it can do anything really. So just realize what you're risking. Realize that this is a risky trade. It's only 3 confirmations, but we can use this trade for, let me turn this the right color so I know this is a, it is a sell-off, but it's around this 88%. So I'm going to keep it dark green. If it blows past all this, then I know that price is most likely going to push up. Maybe it just takes us out of our trade, whatever it may be. Let's see. You can see it's showing some respect here, but it's also showing disrespect, so it's stuck in this box here. What I'm hoping is a fall off and breakthrough here. My first TP is going to be around this area if it comes down, God willing. Second TP is going to be right here, and final take profit right here, and then I'll leave a runner to go down to the downside. So if you want to see that on the 5-minute, first TP will be around here, second TP around here, third TP around here, and then a runner down to the downside. So let's see what's what. There's a lot of rejection wicks, but it still hasn't broken this area, so it really doesn't mean much, right? Especially when we have these lower highs being broken here. So we just got to make sure that price does what we want it to do. And you know, just from the book that I'm reading, we don't know what price is going to do. We never do. All we know is we have some confirmations to take a trade, and how much are we willing to risk? How much are we willing to put up money, cash, to see what's what? And that's all this is. That's what the game is. So I still have my issues. I was crazy, man. Like that book is getting me to realize that I've been trading fearful this whole time. Um, you shouldn't be fearful at all from what the book is stating. And I think I have a healthy fear, but it's a fear. And it's a reason why I hold my losers. It's a reason why I don't hold my winners. So there's a lot of psychological things behind it that makes it that. So for me, I just want to get better at that and just, you know, let it do what it needs to do. Take the money when it's available and run. See what happens. But overall, I think this is a solid. I think it's solid. We just got to see what price does here. Got a few rejections, but we needed to break through to the downside here. Let me get the 1 minute 50 EMA is all the way up here. So we got to realize that at this point, this 50 EMA could be used as support. Price touches this, flies up, right? So we got to realize that. We got the 5 minute here. I think this is the 15 minute that I already have. Oh no, 15 minutes down here. So you can see the crossover starting to happen now, even on the 15 minute. Already happened on the 5, 3, and 1. Crossover happened here on this big push up. So now let's see if price gives us something else. Let's gotta check it out and see. All right, about 6 minutes till open. Let's see what's what. Honestly, I would like to see this 1 minute candle here break through this to kind of give us, you know, at least just in the next 30 seconds to break below this 1 minute and break below this support level. Because if it does that, that gives me more of a, it's more of a confirmation that price could go down. But as long as it keeps respecting this, and you can kind of see, just like we got higher highs and higher lows right here. Let's take a look at this. You can see that there's somewhat exactly what it's doing there, right? Like that. There's higher lows here. Even though it's support, you can see how price is reacting here. It's not a secret. So it didn't blow through the way I wanted it to, unfortunately. So now when we look at the 5 minute, you can see that it's just another candle in this box, which could lead to this candle finishing up here, and then we could stack up before open. So these next 5 minutes are important. I would have liked to see this candle finish below here, but see what happens. We finally got a little break, right? So you guys had an opportunity to get in at all of these points here. Hopefully you guys were able to get in. Let's see what's what. I'm only up about 17 pips right now, so give or take about 17. Let me delete that. This 50 EMA right here is definitely going to be a key level, so if you guys want to take profits at that point, do it. You know, so we'll see what the market gives us right now. Only up about 13 pips, 16 pips, so just got to see what the market gives us here. Yeah, I kind of figured that could happen, and the reason why is because this 5 minute didn't finish the way we wanted it to, right? So as I said, this candle could still finish up here, technically, right? Fully engulfed, and then make its way up here and get us out. So we got to be mindful of that. But we still got 3 minutes to see how this candle is going to finish. Still a chance it finishes bearish, which would be better for us. If it finishes bullish, I think that kind of, it's more of a possibility of it continuing this trend up, right? And like I said, I think the news for the most part is good. It's what the Fed wants is unemployment to go up. Um, Not purposely, but just because that's how they need to bring down inflation, right? So, let's see if there's an opportunity to get in. Check it here. Yeah, so you see how this candle finished engulfing this candle. Now it's back on top of the EMA. I don't like that. All right, it's just another bull flag. So let's see if we could get this thing to fall off, turn bearish, and then the next one. Nah. I guess we'll wait and see. It's go time, so got about 2 minutes left till open. Let's see. It's coming up on us. Hopefully it finishes bearish and not up here, because if it finishes up here, I'm not gonna like that. If I'm just being honest. So you see how, and this is really a breakout, and kind of what I'm learning, actually through the same book. When you're so into a trade like I am here, and I'm trying to trust that it can do anything, right? Like it literally can do anything in this sense. So when you have a sell in, obviously you're looking for why the sell is going to work, but sometimes you're blinded to why. You have to be objective, right? Being objective, you have to say, okay, what is this doing here, right? What is price doing here at this point? At this point, price is really just respecting the support level, right? Respecting the support level. Not only that, it is moving up, right? We were in a downtrend. We had a fall off yesterday, but we are moving up. The way these candles are finishing here, fully engulfed this one. So now at this point, if price finishes up here, I know there's a good chance that price could break through all of this shit, right? Because now it's looking to push up through all of this, which sucks. And look, it kind of does look like it's going that way, and it chose the last minute to really make its move up. So look at that. So that for me is not cool, but it is what it is. We got open in about 44 seconds. So let's see what price gives us. Yeah, that looks like it's out of here, right? I don't even know where it's at. Yeah, it looks like it's going to continue up. I'm going to go ahead and start closing some partial negatives just because I don't think this thing is coming our way necessarily. Oh shit, it already stopped me out. So I lost 1,100 bucks on that trade right there. I mean, I want to give it one more shot. I think I will. And small stop loss. But yeah, you know what? It looks like it wants to get out of here. It does pretty much look like it wants to get out. I think that's pretty obvious at this point. I'm back in the trade, but if it doesn't break, let me go to the 1 minute. See this little area here that it's not breaking? Yeah, it kind of looks like it's going up now. Yeah, I'm down 300 bucks right now. Yeah, it looks like it's out of here. Damn. I was hoping we'd really see a fall off right now, but you know, it was a risky trade. We only had three confirmations, and with those three confirmations, we're only going to see a certain price movement, right? Either up or down. And at that point, it pushed up on us, and we got to know at that point, okay, it's over. Uh, I think I just got to call it. Fuck it. It's up there now. It's on top of the EMA. I don't necessarily like that anymore. Yeah, it looks like it's out of here. Damn. Sucks because you want to trust the trade, but I think I'm going to just call it a day right here. Um, it's coming up to my zone right now to take me out anyway, so there it goes. Yeah, lost 1900 today. Ain't nothing much you could do about that. Now I'm going to officially walk away from this shit. And yeah, we'll see what the market gives us tomorrow. Because you can see the rejections that are, you can see sellers are coming in. Um, I just don't see, not here at least. I think the next sell-off opportunity might be up top. Yeah, the 4 hour is actually up here. So we could see it retrace all the way up to the 4 hour. And the other thing I really didn't like is that this low didn't break this low. So that's a big thing to worry about too. You can see the 4 hour. Look at that. 4 hour 20 EMA is right there though. Looks like it's breaking through all that. Uh, well, can't win them all. I'm gonna take that L on the chin. My goal is to now lose my money and call it a day. So I lost 1,900 bucks. I'm gonna call it a day right there. So thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Didn't go as we planned, but that's okay. You win some, you lose some. We were on a nice little winning streak there. So now we'll just come back tomorrow and see if we have a better trade set up. So thank you guys for tuning in with me. Hope you guys have yourselves a good one, man. Thank you.